Stop, yes, kun je anders kap.
Aan een onbeskop. Je schopt niemand. Hè? Het heeft niets met een schop te maken. Weet je wat een schop is? Dit is een schop. Jullie houden van agressiviteit.
Hey!
Amigas, ze luistert de hele dag naar Mostaman.
Dat is niet...
Bon tonto.
Hey! No ganha...
No ganha wat?
No ganha sim.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. You love, you love, you love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do.
Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a week in my life. I'm going to take you along my week and see like what I'm going to do this week. I'm going to try to make this week as interesting as possible. I just wanted to try this format and see how I like it. So I hope you like it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and we're gonna go ahead and get into my week. It is Monday right now. I just finished working. I'm now about to go to the supermarket to get a few groceries, not too much because we have groceries that will be delivered tomorrow. So not too much, just a few things that I really need right now. But I'm quickly gonna show you my outfit for today. I am wearing this cream knitted dress. It is from Primark and it has like this slit on the side, which I think is really cute, but at the same time it's very classy, as you can see. And then I'm wearing this knitted cardigan on top, or vest, I don't know how you say this, with these big blue buttons. And this one is from H&M. I recently got it and I think it's very comfy. I love it. I'm wearing a Louis bag with it, just my everyday kind of bag, and I'm wearing these new slides that I recently got when I went shopping with my friends Aida and Leandra. So yeah, let's get going. Let's go to the supermarket.
Oh baby, good at thinking out loud, but not too good at keeping promises.
Alright amiga, groceries are done. Like look, on my little bike. I'm happy that I got that done. Now I'm gonna go home, maybe make dinner first, and then after that I need to edit yesterday's vlog because today's Monday and I'm late freaking again. But I'm gonna go home now and fix that. So I might do dinner after I'm done around 7 or something, because right now it is, I don't even know what time it is, but I'll figure it out when I'm home. So let's bike home. By the way, I got myself a little nut bar with peanuts because I need it. Okay, let's bike now. Oh, this is such a good bike ride. Enjoying it. Alright amiga, your girl is back inside. She's home. I'm now gonna quickly put the groceries away so that I can start on my, so that I can finish editing my video. So should I do a little haul? Maybe I can. Let me show you what I got. I got 2 packs of focaccia bread, feminine products, grapes, like a veggie mix, like the Hong Kong veggie mix, I like that. Coconut pieces, chunks, chips, whatever, for in smoothie bowls, you know. How do you call this? Lemonade. avocados, 4 avocados, hexancas, some cereal for in our smoothie bowls, Parmesan cheese, and some nuts to snack on. So yeah, that's it. Is that it? No. And Q-tips. Alright, amiga, it's now editing time. I'm gonna try to finish this video ASAP to put it up. I'm gonna try to not rush it too much, but I need to try to get this up. I need to work on getting my videos up by Sunday, because I don't know why lately I've been leaving everything for the last minute, and it's stressing me out because now it's Monday and I'm almost like over this deadline. It is bad. It is super bad. But anyways, I'm gonna watch some Netflix while I edit, so I'll get back to you later. It is now much later. I'm still editing. Oh no, I finished editing. I'm uploading my vlog now, and it's going super slow. Benny is busy with his camera. He's gonna set up something to start a drawing. I just wanted to like let you know what's up. I haven't actually moved from here, so
Fake bitch, fake.
What is going on? Who is a fake bitch? Stop, yes, kun je anders kap.
Aan een onbeskop. Je schopt niemand. Hè? Het heeft niets met een schop te maken. Weet je wat een schop is? Dit is een schop.
Nou, Bokowski, wat er is
Voor wanneer moest je dit in posten?
September, uiterlijk. Gewoon in september.
Waar staat het?
Dat stond in de mail.
Gostaria do dame.
Jullie houden van agressiviteit.
Hey!
Say good morning to my amigas.
What did I tell you about me and my coffee and the camera? I want to make my coffee in peace. So I enjoy the process. Maar goed. Bon dia, amigas. Kom bij.
Hey, you're doing good.
Kom bij. Kom bij.
It is a new day. It is a new day. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was having a mental breakdown.
As always. Here's your
Not
coffee.
as always. Don't act like I'm an emotionally imbalanced person, Benny.
But you are.
That's not very nice, and that's not the truth.
I didn't say that. You said that.
Yeah, well, anyways, I had an emotional breakdown.
Show your
breakdown.
amigas that imbalanced bed.
Yeah, I still need to make the bed, but yeah, that's what it looks like.
When she gets out, people.
Yeah, I woke up last. I need to fix it. But I'm gonna do it nice today, Benny. I'm gonna fix the bed very nicely today. Don't you worry about it.
You think I don't see what you're doing, huh?
What am I doing?
You have pointed the camera at me.
I went and got my computer.
I didn't even know about that. So apparently Pop Smoke died.
Amigas know it. You are the one that's late.
Yeah, well, that's true, but like, I should
Let me
mind
go
my...
Pop Smoke my drawing.
I think I should mind my business and listen to my girly music. Because I don't know nothing about those things. I have no clue. Like, I have a little story time for you, by the way. One time there was this little platform and it was called Kitatin, and it's like an Antillean Facebook. I think right now it doesn't exist anymore, but there used to be like this platform that was like an Antillean Facebook, and there was this guy that had a profile picture of Lil Wayne, and he and he came and he told me like, yeah, I like you, blah blah blah. And like his whole profile, I'd never understood what that was all about. Like, why would you put like a whole bunch of pictures that are not you on your profile? I never got that, you know?
That's a valid point, you know?
Yeah. I get that you can be a fan or whatever, but like...
No, that's a profile picture.
Yeah, and why wouldn't you state that you are a fan account, you know? Like, I didn't know. So I never heard of Lil Wayne. I never heard of Kanye West at that point, and neither did I hear of Jay-Z. So I never knew who those people were at that time. So anyways, I was like, you know what? I don't think you're my cup of tea. So I rejected him. And he was like, how can you know? And I was like, well, I see your profile picture and all your other pictures. And he was like, yeah, but that's not me. And I was like, haha, yeah, that's what I would say. So I went on with my business, and then a few days later I had MTV on, and at that time MTV actually used to show like how do you say that? Music videos. And a music video came in which Lil Wayne was. So I was like, huh? Wasn't that the guy from the other day? And then I found out that, yeah, that's Lil Wayne apparently, and it wasn't that guy. And a long story short on the guy, it turned out that the guy was someone that I knew, but the guy had a girlfriend. He wasn't my cup of tea either, but that was a whole situation on its own. I'm not gonna go too in depth.
Moral of the story, people, I don't want to say that you're stupid, but you need to learn more about your own culture.
Alright, if you see it, I don't see it like that, Benny. Like when I grew up, I wasn't allowed to listen to any of those songs.
Jennifer,
yes,
you were living alone that time.
Yeah, but like if you grow
Jennifer,
up, listen.
Jennifer,
Benayo.
Jennifer, you were living alone, okay?
Yeah, but listen, can I explain myself for 1 second, Benny? Like if you grow up and you're not allowed to listen to those type of songs, you create like a different taste towards music, I think.
Nou, wat voor muziek hield je toen? André Hazes.
Wat nou André Hazes?
Oh! Amigas, ze luistert de hele dag naar Mostaman.
Dat is niet...
Bon Tonto.
Hey! No ganya.
No ganya wat?
No ganya si.
No ganya si wat?
Taabo, abing konta mi di
Ik versta niet wat je zegt. Hele dag luistert ze naar André Hazes.
That's not true.
It's not true.
Benayo, you introduced me to that song.
No.
And I was shocked to the core.
No. You know who introduced me to that song?
Who? Who?
Die andere amiga van je.
Yeah, but that's not me.
Who is it?
Is it Ash or
Nee.
Fredo?
Oh!
I don't know. Who did it?
Die andere amiga.
Qua amiga.
Qua amiga, no?
Qua amiga.
Qua amiga.
See?
Die kleine Jennyfer Ross.
Mijn zusje?
Ja.
Hell no! Alright amiga, your girl finally finished getting ready and I quickly wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I am on my way to go have some fries because it's that time of the month and I want to eat fries. I'm a grown-up, I can eat whatever I want, I'm craving fries, so I'm gonna eat fries. So I'm gonna go and get myself some fries, but this is what I'm wearing. It's really nothing that special because I am not going too far from my home to get the fries, but yeah. let me just quickly run you over my outfit. I'm wearing this green top from H&M. I got it in sale and it was only €5 in sale. I love that it's like, it has like this little detail here, so you can crop it or you can like leave it like down. It got like very big for me, so I think I lost a little bit of weight and I'm not complaining whatsoever. On top, I'm wearing my corduroy, like it says corduroy material. The jacket is from Stradivarius, and then my jeans are New Look. Like, yeah, this is the Dahlia jeans, and then I'm wearing it with my Gucci belt, and then my slides are Zara, nothing really special. I have these for a very long time as well, and then a Louis bag because I have all my stuff in it and I don't feel like switching out my bag, so I'm gonna just go with this one. And yeah, that's it. Jewelry is also pretty cute. I'm wearing this necklace from Ana Luisa that I recently got, and then the necklace from Coqueliccio Curaçao. These earrings from Mango, and then this cute little bracelet. I had one before but I lost it, but I'm wearing this cute little bracelet also from Concept Statements. My everyday rings, I need to get a new manicure, but I'm gonna go after the weekend I think, and my everyday watch. So yeah, that's it for my outfit. Now let's go get some fries. I'm here at the snack bar. I ordered my food and I will let you know when the food is here. Alright amiga, my food is here. I'm gonna show it to you. This is an apache oorlog. It's fries with peanut sauce, mayo and onions. And I also have a kipcorn, which is a crispy chicken. It's like a chicken nugget but like a very big one. You dip it in the sauce and you eat it. And in the meantime, I'm watching Sydney Serena move into her dorm room. So yeah, bon appetit! Alright amiga, I just finished having my food. It was so good, but so much so I couldn't finish everything. Now across the street there is a supermarket, so I'm gonna try to find myself some flowers because I think I deserve it. So let's go try to get some flowers. Alright. Oh, I need to wear a mask. Almost forgot. Right, mission aborted. There is a technical difficulty and that is why the store is closed. So, no flowers. Well, it's okay though, it's gonna rain I think. And it's better for me to head home ASAP because I do not want to get stuck in the rain. So, yeah. Start raining, but I'm not too far from my home. Alright amiga, your girl is back home. I'm now gonna tackle my kitchen because it has been looking rough in here. So I'm gonna go wash the dishes and just tidy up just tidy up our kitchen, and after that I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and relax. So I'll talk to you when the kitchen is done. Alright, amiga, kitchen is now clean. The dishes are on the drying rack, they're drying. I'm now about to make myself a cup of tea, and I'm also thinking if I should make like some pancakes for breakfast tomorrow morning, because if I make them tonight, then I am sure that I have like a good breakfast tomorrow morning. I'm kind of lazy as well, but I think I should do that, because if I do that, all right, I don't know yet. I might do that in a second. But now it's tea time. I'm gonna have some ginger tea. Ginger tea. So I think I'm gonna make the pancakes. You know, be productive, and then I have a legit breakfast, because every time that I have like the early shift, I just tend to eat very late or not eat at all, like eat crackers and that be it. Like, no, I need to like make sure that I have a breakfast for tomorrow morning. So I'm now gonna make some pancakes. Pancakes are done. Breakfast for tomorrow morning is fixed. Oh, I could have made some sauce, but I forgot about that. I might do that in the morning or maybe later. I'm not really sure. We'll see. So yeah, I'm now gonna go edit a little bit, because I will not leave all of this footage to edit in one time. I'm trying to do a little bit every day so that I don't have too much work on the day that I need to upload this. So I'm now gonna go and edit everything that I did today into the vlog. And I think I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, amiga, it is a new day. I have been so busy the whole day. I already got ready in my lunch break, but now I'm actually about to go make something to eat because I was so busy. I had a training this morning through Zoom, and then after that I had like a team meeting. What is going on? Yeah. So yeah, I've been super busy, and I barely ate anything. I ate those little pancakes that I made last night, but other than that, not really anything. I already had 2 cups of coffee, so I'm about to go make something to eat real quick. This is what I'm making for lunch. I'm gonna make some noodles, but I'm gonna pimp them with some greens and also some corn, and maybe I also have spinach. So let me check. Maybe if I have spinach, I can also add some of that into my mixture. No spinach, but we do have bok choy, or as we call it in Dutch, pak soy. So I'm gonna make that instead, a little bit. This is so good and it's so easy to make. And it's also, maybe it's not the best option, but at least there are more terrible things that you can eat, you know? Like this is not that bad. And at least I'm getting in some veggies. It's so good. Delicious. Alright, amiga, I finished working and I quickly wanted to show you my little outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing today. Again, nothing really special, but I love outfits like this. I'm wearing like a white little bodysuit from Primark. And then on top I'm wearing a blouse that is also from Primark. I tied it in a little knot in the front. And then I'm wearing these jeans. These jeans are from Mango with my pearly little slides. Then I'm wearing this little necklace from Lucardi. And my little Swarovski earrings that I'm wearing every day. And my little glasses. Not wearing them right now, but yeah, that's basically what I'm wearing today. And right now I finished working like 45 minutes ago. I think I'm gonna edit because we didn't get the groceries delivered on Tuesday, so they will be delivered today because there was no open slot left for them to deliver them on Tuesday. So they're coming today and they're coming between now and 8, so hopefully they will be here before 8 because I wanted to go work out with Benny today, but if they come like very late, like 8 o'clock or something, then I won't be able to go. So hopefully I can manage to still go. But yeah, I quickly wanted to show you my little outfit. I'm now gonna edit a little bit and then later on I'm gonna braid my hair for the gym hopefully, and hopefully my groceries will be here soon so that I can work out later on today. So yeah, that's sad. Alright, amiga, it's time to get my hair ready for the gym later on. I'm just gonna braid it up into 2 braids. And I think I'm also gonna like put on my gym clothes. The grocery guy still didn't came, so hopefully he will be here in time because I really want to get a workout in today. I'm gonna add a little bit of braiding hair. Let me start by moisturizing my hair. I'm gonna use some of my Lotte Body moisturizer. This is the coconut and shea oils curl and style milk. I'm gonna like do 3 to 4 pumps and just apply it to my hair. Make sure to moisturize it very well, and then I comb my hair out with my brush. By the way, let me know in the comments down below how you are liking this format and if I should do this more often or not. I do edit it every day, and I see like right now we are on Thursday and I already have 22 minutes, you know, so the next few days I think I can slow down, but I also might vlog until Saturday and then wrap it up and then continue vlogging. But maybe like I should like do 3 days and then wrap it up and then start a new vlog. Or just let me know, do you like longer vlogs? Do you care? Do you not care? Do you want like more vlogs but shorter vlogs? Let me know. Anyways, I'm going in with some of this black castor oil miracle braid lock and twist gel. I like to use this for my edges. Let's go in with some of that. And I start by making like a little triangle. And I braid all the way down. When I'm at the bottom, I like to add my braiding hair. It's just not the correct way to do it, but this is what works for me, so I like to do it this way. Just place it under my braid, and then I just continue my braid all the way down. Hairstylists, don't come for me. Just doing what I can, okay? I'm helping myself out here. And here on the bottom, I just like to braid it a little bit loosely so that it's easier for me to pull the braid a little bit apart. It also makes the braid look more realistic. So, and here I just pull the braid a little bit apart to make it like look more thick on the bottom as well. And make it more fast for my own hair, you know. Like that. And for it to be not so perfect. That's braid number 1. I'm now gonna repeat the same step on the other side. Right, hair is done. Let me check the time, and otherwise I'm also gonna change into my gym clothes right away. Alright, amiga, I have on my little workout set. Benny recently got me this one because he thought I was doing so good in the gym, and he bought this for me. So I really like it. It's an all black set. It's a little crop top with like black leggings, very simple, but I like it. The whole set is from H&M and it's very good quality, so love that for me. And also the Albert Heijn guy came, so I'm now gonna unpack the groceries. Everything is according to schedule, so we are getting a workout in today. Whoop whoop. Here are my little groceries, and I'm gonna unpack everything. They bring it like in these little boxes, and then they take them back the next time that they come. So let's unpack the groceries. We're back home. I survived. Anyways, it was heavy, but I'm happy I went. I don't regret going. I never regret going to a workout, so happy I did that. I tried to film a few clips for you, so hopefully I can include that in the vlog. And now I'm gonna have tea, and then after that shower and get ready for bed, because tomorrow is another work day. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Good morning, amigas.
Good morning, amigas.
How are you today? How have you had a good night's sleep? I'm checking back on you guys on this Friday. I'm working again from home. And I'm here with Benny.
Wat nog meer? Nee, playing shy, no? We weten dat je niet shy bent, hoor. Me and my amigas are already on to you. Anyways, amiga, today is Friday. Right now I'm working. I'm about to go make some smoothie bowls in a bit.
Yeah, go do that.
Oh, you taquito.
Oh, you taquito. Woo, witty. Witty.
Alright, anyways.
Alright, amigas. See you guys later.
Exactly.
Howdy, goed, nou kan ik u helpen?
Goedemiddag met Jennifer.
Ja.
Goedemiddag, ik wou graag een afspraak maken om mijn nagels op te vullen. 2 uur gaat dat?
Om 2 uur?
2 uur, ja.
Ja, om
Oké.
2 uur, oké.
Perfect.
Wat naam van?
Jennifer. I set up a little nail appointment because what is this? This is ratchet. Like, and I'm working the weekend, so then I'll be able to go after I finish my weekend shift. Glow up a little, you know. So, amiga, I finished working. I just put my hair up in a little ponytail. I already am wearing my gym outfit. So yeah, right now I think I'm gonna make warm up something to eat because I already made food yesterday. So I'm gonna eat that today and chill out a little bit. Maybe I'm gonna take a little nap as well. We'll see. But I think I'm gonna warm up my food now and then eat and make sure that I have that a little bit digested before I go to the gym so that I'm not too full, you know? So amiga, I finished like warming up my dinner. This is what it looks like. So I have this rice with bok choy and also cashews. And on top I have like a little fish burger with some sriracha sauce. I'm now gonna eat that so that I have time for it to digest. And in the meantime, I think I'm gonna watch some Netflix and relax. Yeah. Finished my food and now I'm having an iced coffee for some energy because I feel slow and I need some energy for the gym. But your girl's back from the gym. I sweat pretty good and now I'm gonna shower and I have the weekend shift. So yeah, I'm happy I went to the gym, tired, but I feel super accomplished.
I haven't seen you in a while. I never thought you'd be so wild. Things are moving way too fast. Why don't we slow down? Yeah.
Alright amiga, your girl is showered in her PJs. I'm in that, like tucked in and everything, and I'm going to edit this vlog, or I'm busy editing right now, so I'm gonna finish editing the vlog. So I thought it would be a nice moment to wrap up this vlog. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, and also let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this format. Do you like longer vlogs like this? Or is it better if I do it like chopped up, like, I don't know, around 15 to 17 minutes or something like that? So just let me know in the comments down below what you think. And yes, I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love ya. Mwah. Bye.
I hope you forgive me, yeah. Don't even care what they saying. We got this bond, so let's face